Marami ang tila nagulat sa nasabi nga pong latest photo ni Chris Aquino na hindi nga malaman kung siya ba ay talagang nag-gain ng weight, tumaba, or minamanas nga ang nasabing Queen of All Media. Ibinahagi din kamakailan lamang ni Chris Aquino ang nasabi nga pong pagka-delay ng kanyang operation. Aniya, this surgery was delayed from yesterday to very soon because my BP was sky high the whole of Sunday. The culprit, my migraine. Thank you to my pain management, Dr. Henry Liu, and his entire team for finding the right formula. Although Sunday night and yesterday, I was given a pharmacy. Entering the pre-OP area, Kuya was shaking and automatically grabbed Bim's hand. I did something right in making sure Bim grew up knowing he'll be responsible for his Kuya, and Kuya feels secure with Bim going in. Sobrang nakakahanga nga ang isang Chris Aquino dahil kahit na nga may sakit ito, ay napakatindi ng bond nila na mag-iina. Napakasakit din sa isang ina na makita mo na nandyan ang iyong mga anak habang ikaw ay nakikipaglaban sa isang matinding sakit. Kaya naman marami ang nananalangin at nakikita ang pagpupursige ni Chris Aquino para gumaling. Unang-una para sa kanyang mga anak. At syempre ang pananampalataya ni Chris Aquino na tanging ang Panginoon ang makapagsusudlong ng buhay. Maraming salamat sa mga doktor Aniya dahil sila talaga yung nagiging kaagapay sa pagtuklas ng kanya nga pong karamdaman. At syempre, ang Panginoon talaga ang magbibigay at magdudugtong nito kung nanaisin niya ay talagang mangyayari. Anyway, isa nga pong kwentong ibinahagi ng Queen of All Media habang nagpa-process sa kanyang medication na tila nawalan nga po ito ng buhay. Narito ang kanyang naging kwento. Thank you for continuing to pray for me to get better, for having faith that God will make all things possible. I haven't fully processed what happened. It was supposed to be a minor PICC line procedure, but there was a span of time totaling almost 2 minutes when my lungs stopped functioning. I stopped breathing. I credit my anesthesiologist, my 2 surgeons, and as soon as I awakened, the reassuring face of my rheumatologist whose concern and love I felt. In my post-op recovery room, it was future pediatrician, neurologist, or anesthesiologist BM's kiss that made me realize we owe all of you my life. Utang namin ang buhay pa rin ako. The Holy Spirit guided my doctors and everyone in the OR. Yan nga ang revelation ni Chris Aquino. Napakahirap po talaga ng kalagayan ng isang ina, lalong-lalo na kay Chris. Praying na talaga pong gumaling na ang Queen of All Media. At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.